Don't too hot in front of you. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah.
Somebody behind you. Somebody behind you.
Sorry.
I'll go up now.
Just what do you think now? Just look, just look.
Focus not on Jesus.
That's what I'm doing. But it's not doing.
Has it not focused? I put it on him and then focus. Yellow shirt then focus. Yeah.
So what, makeup this morning?
Sure. No, but I want to smile for the camera after now. I'm not saying enjoy look at her. No, sure.
Simone.
Oh.
Yeah, but you want to start from
Here?
record as much as you can record because the real magic of the happening on the editing.
Okay.
But then you can fool people and things you never record there literally.
It's kind of dark.
It is?
Yeah.
Jump the ISO. I'm going to teach you about it. Let me show you. So hold on this, hold on that, and then move this up and down.
Okay.
So I can see get light and dark. You see it? You know, see that?
Yeah. Alright. Get start.
Hi guys, so this video is a little bit different. This video is about you not... Hi guys, so this video is a little bit different. This video is all about bringing the convenience right at your doorstep. Hi guys, so this video is a little bit different. I'm not at home, I don't have the usual setup. I want to let you guys know that Fontana Pharmacy is a one-stop shopping need for this Christmas. And if I go over there, so then go over there. You want to Jonathan this morning, he was so happy. How it sound?
Household supplies.
Oh yeah.
Other RIOS lives alone.
You have household supplies, they have cards. You can get right here at Fontana Pharmacy. As in, on an angle. You were?
Alright, can start. Hold on.
You want Jeremy to do one of your old Jonathan like them, Tala?
Alright.
Jeremy. Turn it off.
Yep.
So it's not just about the holiday season. It's actually for every... So it's not just about the holiday season. It's a... So on the first floor we have gifts for her. We have our gift sets. So on the first floor we have gifts. You can pass me. Good. So on the first floor we have gifts for her.
Yeah.
And as you enter the store right on the first floor as well, you have the cosmetics counter. Then we have your brands like LA Girl.
No, you know.
And as you enter on the first floor, the first thing that you see, the cosmetics counter. Now let me tell you this, I'm a girl who knows someone love my makeup and right to start, so when we live with me from a Fontana Barbican. So I have a brands like LA Girl. Look at that! You have your POMI By brushes and lashes.
Yeah. Or if you want just like essentials.
Yeah, stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, so they have pan up to the girl. Smile, ladies, smile, smile, smile.
Go.
So they have a couple of promotions running right now. If you take a picture with the Fontana selfie frame and use the hashtag Fontana Christmas, you have a chance to win either 15,000, 10,000 or 5,000 Jamaican dollars in gift certificates. The contest ends. They have a promotion running. For this season, they have a promotion running, and one of them is you winning $15,000 in gift certificates. So all you have to do is take a selfie with Fontana's selfie frame and use the hashtag Fontana Christmas. The one that has the most likes win a banana lime. We kind of walking in the still, so you're not like I'm interested. But if you want to win up to $15,000 in gift certificates, just go ahead and post the selfie on your Instagram using the hashtag Fontana Christmas.
Go.
Now if you're anybody like me and you love shopping online, but you want a sweet deal, FontanaPharmacy.com has you covered. You get 50% off, but it's just for 12 days. Now if you're shopping, if you're a shopaholic like me and you love the online thing, FontanaPharmacy.com has you covered, man. They're having 12 days.
Sorry.
Shout out to all the MCU massive. You see, this brand Etenia was created. Nice. Yeah, close it back. You're fine. You are fine. You can come. Just act natural. Ready? Is it focused on me? So here at Fontana we have suggestion cards. So if you're walking around a little bit stumped, we have suggestions for you. We have gifts for her. You have to, alright, you have to do the plan there. So if you're walking around Fontana and a little bit stumped, you don't know what to get for who, we have suggestions for you. Don't worry about that. We have gifts for her and we have gifts for him. Are you going to get to show? Which one to get for Jonathan? So I'm from yesterday, man, and come past the shots and be very natural. Ready?
Hello, good afternoon. Getting through, okay?
Hold on. Alright. We shall start and then we get the key.
QR. Cha. Cha.
Alright. Hold on. No, not.
And the graphics are changing. Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon. Getting through, okay?
This only the baby stuff. Come around this side.
Then panino.
Yeah, man. We'll get